Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to get free games on Steam. So you're probably new to Steam and probably get overwhelmed by the prices here and trying to find the free games on Steam. And I'm here to teach you how. The process is pretty simple. Just follow my steps. First of all, you have to open up Steam and click on Store and then Featured. Once you're on the Featured page on Steam, you can actually scroll down here and go to Browse by Genre right here and click on Free to Play. Or let's scroll back up here, hover on Categories, and then click on Free to Play. Once you arrive on Free to Play games, you can actually find all the free games here on Steam. There are actually pretty good titles here like Sims 4 and Warzone. Even Overwatch 2 is here. If you scroll down even more, you can browse by popular, new and trending, all items, top sellers, top rated, and all that. You can also click on some genres right over here up top, and it will take you to those games, or it will show you games that has those genres. And that's it for the video. Remember, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.